before we proceed, other with suspension on your social and assets. Please press 1 to speak to our officer. Please press 1. Thank you.
Yes, thank you for.
Hello.
Yes, Service Canada. Service Canada. How can I help you?
Hello, ma'am. My name is Mohan and I am a student. I just got a call that my service social insurance number is gonna be suspended. Could you please tell me what is it?
Yes.
Please tell me, madam. I'm an international student. I
Yes.
just came last week here in Canada.
Okay. So first of all, your call has been transferred to me. This is Officer Alice Miller, 72690 from Investigation Department of Service Canada. So, sir, along with the phone calls, did you receive any reference or case ID number?
No. I was just told to press 1 and speak to an agent, and that's what I did.
Okay. Okay, so in order to pull up your file and give you out the more information, can you please verify me your first and your last name?
Mohan Singh. First name Mohan, last name Singh.
Could you please spell it out, sir?
Okay, first name M as in mango, O as in orange, H as in Henry, A as in apple, N as in Nancy. Last name Singh, S as in Sam, I as in important, N as in Nancy's, G as in gun, H as in Henry.
Okay, it's MOHAN, right?
Yes.
The first name?
Yeah.
Yes, okay.
She ran away, I don't know why.